Analytical data reveals that DeFi's total value registered another dip, with the total value locked, TVL, falling below $50 billion at the time of writing. Welcome to Finance Redefined, your weekly dose of essential decentralized finance, DeFi, insights, a newsletter crafted to bring you significant developments over the last week. The last week's headline was dominated by some of the biggest hacks in DeFi. This week is redemption time for many DeFi protocols that either averted an attempted hack or got a significant chunk of their stolen funds back. The BitBTC bridge reportedly had a bug that would essentially allow an attacker to mint fake tokens on one side of the bridge and swap them for real ones. However, one Twitter user was able to foresee the vulnerability and inform the CrossBridge platform about it. The Moolah market attacker has scored about a $500,000 bug bounty after choosing to return a majority of the cryptocurrency they exploited from the Celo-based lending protocol. Cryptocurrency market maker Wintermute repaid a $92 million TrueFi loan on time despite suffering a $160 million hack. Mango market hackers that returned a significant chunk of the $117 million stolen from the protocol could still face legal action despite the protocol deciding to award him a $50 million bounty. The top 100 DeFi tokens remained bearish for another week, as the majority of the tokens traded in red, barring a few. The total value locked also remained below $50 billion for the second consecutive week. A cross-chain bridge between BitBTC and the Ethereum layer 2 network optimism has been able to avoid a potentially costly exploit thanks to the work of an eagle-eyed Twitter user. The custom cross-chain bridge offers a ramp for users to send assets between Optimism's network and Binance DeFi ecosystem, which includes yield services, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, swaps and the BitBTC token, in which 1 million BitBTC represents 1 Bitcoin, BTC. Continue reading. An attacker has returned just over 93% of the more than $9 million worth of cryptocurrencies they exploited from the Celo blockchain-based DeFi lending protocol Moolah market. At around 6 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated on October 18, the Moolah market team tweeted it was investigating an incident and had paused all activity, adding it had contacted authorities and offered a bug bounty to the exploiter if funds were returned within 24 hours. Continue reading. The $117 million Mango Markets exploiter has defended his actions as legal, but a lawyer suggests that they could still face the consequences. Self-described digital art dealer Avram Eisenberg outed himself as the exploiter in a series of tweets on October 15, claiming he and a team undertook a highly profitable trading strategy, and that it was legal open market actions, using the protocol as designed. Continue reading. When Wintermute, a cryptocurrency market maker, lost $160 million due to a hack and concerns related to the repayment of debt worth $189.4 million surfaced. However, in an exciting turn of events, Wintermute paid back its largest debt due October 15, involving a $92 million Tether USDT loan issued by TrueFi. After repayment of TrueFi's $92 million loan, Wintermute still owes $75 million to Maple Finance in USD Coin, USDC, and Wrapped Ether WETH, and $22.4 million to Clearpool, a total of $97.4 million in debt. Continue reading. Crypto exchange Binance is now the second largest entity by voting power in the Uniswap DAO, sitting just behind the venture firm Andreessen Horowitz, or a 16Z, according to the on-chain list of delegates. On October 18, Binance delegated 13.2 million Uniswap (UNI) tokens from its books, which represents 5.9% of the voting power percentage of tokens delegated to the exchange. Compared to the total supply of UNI, the amount delegated represents 1.3%. Continue reading. Analytical data reveals that DeFi's total value registered another dip, with the total value locked, TVL, falling below $50 billion at the time of writing. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView show that DeFi's top 100 tokens by market capitalization had a mixed week, with the majority of the tokens trading in red on the 7-day chart, barring a few. Maker, MKR, continued its bullish momentum into the third week of October, registering a 12% gain over the past 7 days, followed by Aave, AAVE, with a 10% weekly surge. Lido DAO, LDO, was another DeFi token that registered a 9.45% surge in the weekly charts. Thanks for reading our summary of this week's most impactful DeFi developments. Join us next Friday for more stories, insight, and education in this dynamically advancing space.